take a... Air conditioned heat. It's got an AM/FM radio, backup camera. So it's got all your goodies in there. Let me do a quick walk around 1 second. Then I'll go in there and do a video of the inside there. Got brand new rubber tracks on it. It's got good undercarriage. Hydraulic disconnect, smooth bucket. Auxiliary hydraulics with the K-string. Big controls here, which means it's late model. It's got your backup camera, hydraulic disconnect, air conditioning, heat. There's your radio. You see right here all the lights going on. 2293 hours. I just turned the backup camera on. You can see behind us. Yep. And the radio. It's got your bulletproof glass windshield.